Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by equipping Lightning Throw and ensuring your charge is at 100%. This matters because the throw scales with full energy. Once done, position yourself in the arena center and face the target so trajectory calculations are predictable. Make sure sprint is off unless you plan a dash cancel. Sprint changes throw arc. You want precise movement inputs. Press the throw button half a second after stabilizing to cue the ability. This early precision gives consistent hits and avoids wasted cooldowns. Now you execute the sequence. Use a light tap to lock aim, then hold for about 0.5 seconds to wind up full power. The hold increases damage and range. While holding, time a jump cancel or dash cancel to change the projectile arc. This lets you hit behind cover. Pay attention to enemy movement and lead your shot by roughly 1/2 second when they strafe. Doing this makes your lightning throw reliable and harder to predict, so you score impact and follow-up opportunities. Finish by immediately following up with a melee or secondary while the enemy is staggered. This secures the kill and uses the opening. If you miss, first check input latency and controller dead zone, small delays or high dead zone break timing. Next, adjust your hold time in 0.1 second increments until the arc is consistent. This corrects under or overcharged throws. Finally, make sure network sync is stable. If the game lags, try local practice to retrain timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.